Children's feet grow at a phenomenal rate, often to the dismay of parents who bought new shoes for their child merely months ago. The importance of proper footwear for adults is the same for children. Quality, supportive, and comfortable shoes for children are essential to the overall development of a child's foot. Children are active in every way, and their shoes should be monitored for wear and tear, as well as for size. When children are babies and infants, there is no real need for shoes. Going barefoot helps the child in many ways. The foot can grow at a normal pace. Muscles and strength are developed naturally, and the toes can be used for grasping in the walking stages. As the toddler becomes more active, the need for shoes becomes obvious. When it is time to purchase shoes for your child, a few things to remember are ensuring the shoe has adequate cushioning and a built-in arch, that the shoe is flexible enough to bend where the foot naturally bends, that the child be measured while standing, maintaining a 1/2 inch space between the toes and the end of the shoe, allowing the child to walk in both shoes for a few minutes to ensure comfort, making sure that the shoes do not slip off the heels, and finally, measuring both feet and opting for the larger size.